we are about to go give my living room a makeover. A very, very much needed makeover. And you are coming along with me. And my mask. Basically, I am not doing any makeup. I was going to do some makeup and then I realized half my face is going to get covered in the mask. So there's really no point doing that. I have Jerry over here and the old look. Hi G. The old look of the living room. See it one time before I go ahead and get the things ready for this quick makeover. Okay, I'm gonna leave the house now. I'm meeting my mom at the store. I will give you some context over there. I usually drive everywhere, but because the store I'm going to is not going to have parking around it in most likely a case, I'm actually going to go ahead and take a rickshaw. This is the first time I'm taking a rickshaw since the pandemic has hit, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a tad bit nervous. I usually used to take rickshaws very, very often. This is not me being snooty. I love a good rickshaw ride, but because of the pandemic, I'm kind of trying to stay safe and sticking to my own car because I'm a little bit worried. So keeping my fingers crossed and on my way to Linking Road. Okay, so to give you some context, I basically have a lot of stains on this current sofa of mine, and we're going to change the look of the living room by changing the way that sofa looks. We'll find out how. Hi Mommy. Hi. Mommy's already here. What are you doing? I'm vlogging this living room transformation. Mommy gets awkward to vlog in public. She's trying to tell me, you think I should go for a navy?
Yeah.
No, I'm saying I don't want a navy because when the sunlight hits the sofa, my biggest problem is that it discolors my sofa because it's east facing my window. If I take a light color, there won't be much to discolor. The minute a navy gets discolored, I will have a problem because it'll go from like a navy to a light. So I want something that's like this shade to begin with. You know what I mean? Or something in this zone. If I do a dark sofa, it's going to discolor the sofa because of the sunlight. That's my problem.
So anyway, it's light. It has discolored.
Yeah, but when it's light, it still looks all nice and muted. You know what I mean? Okay, so lots of options being shared. Mother looks confused. Daughter is not confused. I like the feel of this, but my concern is that it might look like I might feel hot, you know, like if I wear in the summer, if I'm wearing shorts and I sit on it, like, you know what I mean? I don't want it to feel hot. This is the material
Which is there.
which is of my old sofa, yeah.
Sure.
It's got that. Mama, see this? Mama thinks I'm crazy, but I'm not crazy. I really like this. I'm not crazy. So we've been here for over half an hour, 40 minutes now. I think I've seen every color of the rainbow. We have a few on the short list, but there's some intense confusion going on. Okay, I am back home. G is still working. As you can see, I got them to shortlist 4 different colors and prints that I liked. And tomorrow morning, the guy from the store will be coming home to measure the couch, which is when I'll kind of hold it up against my grey wall over here. I look so messy right now. And we are going to figure which one to go with. I wanted Jerry to be able to be there to cast a vote for this big decision, but my short list of the 4 are going to be here. Jerry, what do you think I did?
What do you think you did?
Like in terms of colors. मुझे तो वहाँ पे पता है hot pink बहुत पसंद आया था. I was like hot pink कर देते हैं. There are 4 short lists coming tomorrow.
So you want me to guess the colors?
No. See them tomorrow and then we'll take a call. It's that same zone that you and I talked about. Muted tones, pastels, sorbet, that zone. Yeah. Fingers crossed he likes them, you guys. Okay, we're on to the next day. The measurements for the sofa is being taken. This is basically how it looks before because, well, it's time for a makeover. Jerry's still sleepy, by the way. I just woke him up to come here to take a look at the colors.
Many months later.
I visited Elementu in South Bombay to check out their range of furnishings, and they have a lot of really cool designer stuff. I'm so glad I went ahead and did this because I finally found the sofa upholstery that I fell in love with that you're just about to see.
Meanwhile.
Okay, so I'm in the middle of shooting for something else. You guys probably know already what it is by now, but while this is happening, a cool but slightly inconvenient thing has ended up happening. The sofa has gotten delivered earlier than expected. It was supposed to come around 3 hours later, and while I'm really happy that it's come, there's a huge shoot going on outside in the living room that we had used that particular space for. But I'm really excited to go see what the color is like. So the main couch is sitting outside the house right now, but the bench is inside. The team has kind of given directions on where what should go, and I'm about to go see it for the first time and show you as well. Where's it? I love it. I freaking love it. I'm gonna shoot the reveal after we're done with this entire shoot setup, but I love it. You'll see the reveal in just a second, I'm sure. Hello, I cannot believe we're sitting here at the end of November. You're watching this video in December. We started the process of giving this living room a little bit of a spruce so many months ago. I don't even remember which month we started in at this point. Okay, I'm not going to keep you waiting any longer. Let's go ahead and show you what the new and updated living room looks like. I'm so excited with how this space now looks. I feel like the living room really is like the heart of the home. I entertain all of my guests over here, and as you know, Jerry and I love having our friends over. I love the way the pink goes with the grey. It's such an interesting contrast. I've always wanted a pink couch. Literally, when we moved into this house, when we bought this place in 2018, I said, you know what, I want a pink couch, and at that point of time, mint was a fantastic option. Not gonna lie, I considered for a hot minute to get just the same mint done all over again. It was just a matter of that upholstery redoing, but I'm so grateful for the way Elementu went ahead and did our upholstery. The fabric is absolutely beautiful. I want to give a special shout out to Renu auntie who works at Elementu, who really gave me good advice on fabrics, good advice on color combinations, and she basically really helped with the process. The new rug I have over here is from Shein, as well as the little brown throw that I have. I love the way all the details have come together. The glass tray and everything that you're seeing on the center table is something that I actually received in PR, and I loved it so much that I preserved it and kept it. I felt like that entire mirror thing was reflecting that grey silver vibe that would go so well with the way the living room is. And you guys know how much I love this grey. Like, it's my jaan. I absolutely love it. I also went ahead and kept this little rose gold thing on the side table that I actually got a few at the start of the year or at the end of last year. Again, I don't really remember where I got it from, but I'm going to make sure to leave a link to it down below for you guys to check it out. Tell me what you think of this little spruce up, a little bit of a living room makeover. It's not like a renovation piece or anything like that, but simple things you can do around your house to really spruce it up and give it the little 2.0 vibe, which I'm definitely getting from here. All of that time of having those stains, makeup stains, things with Bagheera that went down on this couch that just really needed me to do a little bit of a makeover, and I'm personally really happy and super satisfied with how it worked out. Touch wood, alhamdulillah. Tell me what you think of it down below in the comments. And it's time for the giveaway in this Vlogmas video. Go ahead and read all of the instructions mentioned on the screen really carefully and follow them to the T to be able to win this giveaway. All the best! I am not gonna end this video without the Wefam comment shout out, which goes to Rujal Shah in today's video. Make sure you guys always talk to me in the comments because you know I love it. I love reading, liking, hearting and responding to each and every one of you. Keep that coming. Send me ideas, requests, whatever you like down below, and I will always get back to you because I love reading your comments. Mwah. I love you. See you in the next one.